Never knew one yes could change my life. Marriage isn't easy because two different people from different backgrounds learn to get along, learn to be patient, learn to be kind, learn not to be envy, learn not to boast, learn not to be proud, learn not to be rude, learn not to be self-seeking, learn not to be easily angered. Learn to keep no records of wrongs. Learn not to delight in evil but rejoice with the truth. Learn to protect. Learn to always trust. Learn to always hope. Learn to always persevere because love never fails. We respect the differences to complement the merits, to adjust the shortcomings, to appreciate the efforts, to show love and gratitude. Never tired of hearing them, never stop loving, always saying I love you. Even if it's the end of the world, even if we lose our teeth, even if we're struggling, we're saying it 3,000 times. I love you. Not because you're smart or you're wealthy or you're highly educated or you're powerful or under any conditions. I love you unconditionally. Just like God loves us, it's unconditional love. The path might be bumpy or tedious or swamped. Is marriage the grave of love? No, it's a lifetime lesson. Happiness takes efforts to deliberately praise, to deliberately say I love you. Practice makes perfect. Easier said than done? More like easier to do than to say. Face it hand in hand, stay strong in God, stay fearless. For the Lord our God is with us, in the presence of God and all the witnesses. Sabina and Thomas, take each other's wife and husband. From now on, we love each other in prosperity or adversity, wealth or poverty, health or sickness, joy or sorrow, we'll always love each other. Always treasure each other. Always be loyal to each other in every universe.